Doc, you still with me? A fragment. Penny for your thoughts? Your chance of surviving is 4.032%. So none of the others made it off-world? Besides the 4 members of Nova Team we watched die, June is MIA at Sword Base, and the only other thing worth mentioning is George sent an image and voice recording to Dr. Halsey. Play the recording. That's against regulation. These aren't regular times. If anyone asks, tell them it was the dying wish of this savior. Playing. Joe, where are you? Oh, Lincoln. Jesus, Joe, get out of there. That's like invasion ground zero. I know. Just hush. Oh, come on. Incoming! I know you're a good shot. Don't make me second guess. Watch out! Hey! Back off, you stupid! Ben, run! Eat it, bogey. Ben, I'm out of ammo. Ugh. City, all civilians are advised to stay indoors and keep all windows and doors locked, as well as lights off until it has ended. Again, folks, if you're just now seeing this TikTok from terrorist fashion war is underway, so stay. Ben, where? Oh, do I hear some affection from my heart? Oh, shut up, man. That tiny apartment gets lonely. I have to have you. The dog was all emergency broadcasting. It's weird. There's no blood or sign of struggle. What's wrong? Joe, listen. What? Move! Let's move. There seems to be a militia fighting down there. I'm sending an evac ship to come pick us up. I've got hostiles on my 12, confirmed. Must be that moving around with the voice. It's running on us. Counting 12 casualties, the cozy scope is down. This is Saber 9, I'm taking fire. Saber 1, let's mow and turn.
This is SMC, we're being separated.
This is below. Needed my position.
Saber 9 here. Saber 1, kill confirmed.
Give it to S9. I copy as well.
Copy that. Where's SMC? SMC here. We're on our own.
Copy that, SMC. Good luck.
Bully, that's everyone.
Let's move! Go, go, go! Get that chain gun working, mate. Generator's on. Man, talk to me. How is he?
I stopped external bleeding. Some legs and multiple 4th-degree burns, assuming internal.
Sam, give me some gas. It's old school. Saw, can you call us in an evac? Sam, focus. Fill her up or we aren't making evac. I'll get to it. Just do what the mom says.
Yeah, we good to go.
What? I can see the voice. I can't call, but I can listen to the radio chatter. Jason, answer. I got my helmet con working. Come on, stop. Not so. Hurry! Simon! My leg. Give me the cover. Hang in there. See what I can do if I can catch a break. Master below, you cut out. I have a wounded. I need help now. What the? I suppose you're a medic. I'm sorry. We have backup. Where do you want it? They're just ahead. Go out to greet them.
This is a UNSC all-hail broadcast. There is a boarding craft at Central Bodega. All remaining forces on world have 4 minutes until evac. And there are no separate tracks. Good luck, Marines.
Hey, Joe, snap out of it. You're jumping next. Ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
You mean to tell me, Captain, that Wyoming Hannibal team and an ODST sniper who could trim my eyelashes with a magnum from orbit just went MIA? With all due respect, I was told to send my best men on a mission above my security detail. I sent what I had out in a Pelican with instructions I didn't even know. I assigned that mission, and your men are a million miles from nowhere, assuming they got where they were headed. All I'm saying is, if you don't bring back at least some of that crew in one piece, there's gonna be a headhunter with your face in their crosshairs. Do I make myself clear? Crystal. Hey, none of the others survived, did they?
No, I'll tell you for one. Nobody's ever survived a mission with me since I've been assigned to Oni, and I've never been able to escape.